Choosing a bank used to be simple, but in 2026, options are everywhere. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on flashy features. The surprising truth about Coast to Coast Bank is that its value lies in reliability and nationwide access. Coast to Coast Bank is a hybrid bank offering both digital services and broad physical accessibility. It provides checking, savings, and debit services designed for people who travel, relocate, or manage finances across multiple states. One of its biggest strengths is fee transparency. Coast to Coast clearly outlines what's free and what's not, which helps users avoid accidental charges. Overdraft alerts are instant, giving users time to act before penalties apply. You won't believe how many banks still hide these details. The mobile app is clean and responsive, offering real-time transaction tracking, bill pay, and spending summaries. For example, users can instantly freeze cards, set spending limits, or receive alerts when balances dip below a set amount. Coast to Coast Bank also supports early direct deposit for many users, allowing access to paychecks up to 2 days sooner. For people living paycheck to paycheck, that timing can make a real difference. The trade-off is that Coast to Coast doesn't offer high-risk, high-reward financial products. Interest rates are competitive, but not market-leading, and advanced investing tools are limited. In conclusion, Coast to Coast Bank in 2026 is still worth it if you value stability, nationwide usability, and straightforward banking without surprises. For more clear and unbiased banking reviews, subscribe and stay informed.